If you've ever struggled to create training programs that your team actually finishes, this platform will change that. It's so simple. Anyone can use it. It's called ProProfs. Welcome to ProProfs LMS, one of the easiest, most effective tools for employee training. Whether you're onboarding new hires or upscaling your team, everything you need is right at your fingertips. There's no software to install or complicate things. Just log in from any device and you're ready to start. Click Create a Course and begin building your training program. The intuitive interface makes it super simple to organize lessons, set modules, and customize the learning experience. So keep your team engaged by uploading videos, documents, presentations, or PDFs. Mix in multimedia content to make learning more interactive and enjoyable. Test your team's understanding with quizzes and assessments. You can track performance in real time and see exactly where your learners excel or need extra support. You don't need days or weeks to launch a course. With ProProfs LMS, you can have a fully functional training program ready in minutes, freeing you to focus on what matters most, developing your team. Now, if you don't want to start from scratch, ProProfs LMS gives you access to a free library of hundreds of ready-to-use courses covering everything from compliance and onboarding to safety and professional development. You can pick a course, customize it, and launch it in minutes. Plus, the built-in AI tools make course creation even faster. Generate less outlines, quizzes, or even full training modules automatically, saving you hours of work. This feature is perfect for HR managers, trainers, and business owners that need professional help. High quality training programs without spending days, content, and all of that are gone, right? It's so much easier now. So we're going to go ahead and use this hiring and interview training course, right? And you can see that it pretty much lines it out for you, right? So it goes, what's covered in the course, everything like that. Now, I'm going to click Get This Course and we're going to click Preview. So here we are on the course overview. And now one of the great things is that you can now automate reminders, completion certificates, and progress tracking. The dashboard shows exactly who's finished what, so no one slips through the cracks. It's great for compliance programs like OSHA, HIPAA, or harassment training. So ProProfs also includes interactive quizzes, which is gamification, and then obviously having surveys to make it more engaging. Plus, you can white label your courses, brand them with your logo and domain. And if you need help, 24/7 customer support is always available. Just a couple of additional points. They offer mobile app support so you can learn on the go. Your information stays protected with enterprise-grade security and two-factor authentication. The platform is trusted by top brands like Adobe, Acer, and Lenovo. So if you want to create professional employee training programs without the hassle, go try ProProfs LMS today. Start free, explore the course library, and see how easy training can actually be.